Hey, insurance tips for smart people. This is Ray Alkali again. Insurance tips for smartpeople.com. I wanted to continue a conversation we had regardless how much on homeowners insurance. A lot of people feel like they're getting scammed when the insurance value of the replacement cost on their house is higher than what they think it should be compared to what the value of the property is. Well, the bottom line is that they're not the same. So replacement cost on a house is relative to how much it's going to cost to rebuild your house in case it's burnt down or flew away. Has nothing to do with the market value of the property. So if you have a 2,000 square foot house, if you look at it from a ballpark figure, you have a 2,000 square foot house at $140 a square foot, you're looking at $280,000 in replacement cost. If your house has some special features, you're looking at $150 a square foot. If you're looking at a custom built house, you're looking at $170 to $225 a square foot. So, you know, your agent is not trying to play games with you. The insurance company is not trying to charge you more than what they need to be. What they basically are doing is using a replacement cost estimator called Marshall Swift Beck, or there's other ones out there that people use. And based on that, they put the value of the house. So when you buy insurance, first-time home buyers and or trying to change insurance companies, every company uses a different version of that cost estimator, and they all have calculations that they feel are more or less important. Then it goes into their algorithms and they shoot out a number. But just for a general guideline, average standard house, $140 a square foot. A little bit more involved, $150 a square foot, and a custom home, $175 to $225 a square foot. Again, it's all estimates. You have to do an actual cost estimator to get their numbers. So again, this is Ray Alkali, insurance tips for smartpeople.com. Share the video, tell your friends, and don't feel like your insurance agent, whoever he or she may be, is actually trying to take advantage of you. It's just something we have to do as agents to do a calculation in order to put the replacement cost on the house in case it was completely destroyed and we had to replace it. So again, insurance tips for smart people. Share the video, tell your friends, and also like it. Thanks.